cameras out here. Cam. Oh my gosh. Okay, Cam, that's...
Traction control off.
Going back up. Donna's right here.
We're gonna go fast, right?
Well, I don't want to get busted. That's something I'm scared about during the day like
I'm not
this.
gonna get busted.
I don't want to do anything messy.
Someone coming.
Dangerous.
Hitting the roundabout, relax. Look,
I wouldn't be doing anything. You're gonna take the tires off this car.
That's what it's made for. It's a Mustang. Oh, come on, Mom.
Cam. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, Cam, that's good. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good for me.
Your turn to drive.
Whoa, jeez. Whew. Did you smell it?
You want to go all the way out there?
Well,
You're trying to catch 120
it's more of
or
a
what?
straight road.
Yeah.
I mean, versus like, I don't want to be doing anything on the freeway. Like, there's so many cops.
You need to hit at least 110, maybe 20. Come on, pick up some speed. This thing can corner. Pick up some speed. 2 hands on the wheel.
I'm getting used to it. Give me a chance.
Slow down. Come to a stop.
Yeah, no. I don't want to go right here. This is the entrance.
2-3K. Jump the clutch and go. No. Come to a stop. Come to a stop.
No.
Yeah. Just.
Let me try it. Let me try it.
No. You gotta give her way more gas and let it out. And just let your foot off of it. Come on, you got better than that.
I'm just getting used to it.
Get on the brakes in case there's a cop over there.
I love you.
I'm all amped up now. I'm all adrenaline. You freaking adrenaline now?
Probably not in that way. More petrified.